Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook very simple dinner for two. I'm going to deep fry stingray fish with chili. So I have 6 pieces of stingray or Ikan Pari chili paste. This one I use dry chili soaked in the hot water and blend it into a paste, and some salt. This is very simple. Sometimes you want to avoid too much hassle, so just deep fry fish and eat with rice. Settle for dinner. It's very quick and simple with minimal ingredient, just salt and chili. So I like to start off with marinating the fish first with salt. For marinating the fish, we're going to marinate it with salt one by one. Just 2% fried fish and fried 1 vegetable. Done for dinner. No need to go too much hassle. So I have marinated the fish with salt, and now I'm going to coat it with chili. So I'm going to take some chili from here, put it here. Don't want to put too much. I still have a bit of salt here, so I'm going to put the salt in the chili. Mix it. So when we deep fry, then the chili also can be eaten with a bit of salt. And then I've just coat it with chili. This recipe I learned it from my late mother-in-law. Every time she fried ikan pari or stingray fish, always not enough to eat. Because everybody want to eat more. Alright, all the fish is coated with chili, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my hand, then we can go and fry it. Heat up the oil. So today I'm going to use the small pot to fry the fish, because the stingray is quite thick pieces. So when we deep fry, we want to have the fish covered with the oil. If using the big pan, then we need to put more oil in it. Cover with the net first. Alright, this is done. We don't want to fry too long, or else the fish is going to be too dry. So I'm going to scoop it up and put it here. Strain the oil a bit. And we're going to remove out all the chili in here so it won't burn, because we're going to put in a new batch. So the balance of the chili also we put in. Alright, this is done. You don't want to fry too long, so I'm going to scoop it up. So simple. That's it. Switch off the heat, and I'm going to take all the chili from here. This is the best. Eat with rice, awesome. So for this chili, it's very nice to eat with rice. Look at that. Put in all the fried chili. Very good. The fish is tender and the chili is very crispy, plus a little bit of the salty taste on the chili. Lovely. This is really simple and delicious dish. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.